Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for Monday, that is 12th September. This is the daily chart of Banknifty that I've opened, where on Thursday we had a pretty good up move as expected. We thought we'll get a small gap up, we did. There was a small resistance zone. We'll see all those levels, how we could have traded on Thursday and Friday, and then see what are the possible levels that we can see for tomorrow. Before that, I'll just check the Dow Jones chart, because on Friday the US market and the global market kind of recovered in the plus almost 1%, that is almost 369 points up. So we'll just look at the Dow Jones chart. See, this is the daily chart of Dow Jones. After taking support on this black trend line that I'm drawing, we've got some kind of a pullback on the upside. Now till where this pullback can come, we'll have to even consider this trend line. Pullback probably until even closer to this trend line, closer to 33,300 is possible. So because of this, even our markets can further go up, and because of this close on Friday for the US market, we are seeing a small gap up of 28 points in SGX Nifty. This could probably increase in by tomorrow, or be somewhere close to this level itself, around 28 points. So we'll be seeing how to trade that. See, though on Friday the Bank Nifty made a red candle, but this could just be some kind of a profit booking as well, because it's a weekend. Not many people would want to carry positions over the weekend, and those who have entered after this gap up on Thursday, right, they would have easily got about 1000 points. So some sort of profit booking came, but yeah, still our view is bullish. We have room to go up until, say, 40,900 as the target on the upper side, then 41,300. Obviously not tomorrow, but in case we go higher, these are the next level that we should watch out for: 40,900 and 41,300. Now coming to our 15-minute chart, where we have the intraday levels. See, if we get a gap up, right, if we get a small gap up, there's a good possibility we might take some resistance here, that is around 40,600. So we'll have to be careful. We could probably form a small double top here and come down. In case we take resistance here and get some good signal to short, probably I don't mind shorting here 40,600 with the lower target as 40,200. And in case we break this level 40,200, we might come to take a strong support here. This area has acted as a pretty good support, that is around 40,000, that is between almost close to 40,000 until 39,800. So in case we come down here, this will be a good place to buy again, to go long. And the targets on the upper side, as I mentioned, we have 40,900 and then 41,300. Now what are these targets is, we saw it on the daily charts. It is these resistance points which can again act as resistance, that is 40,900 and 41,300. See, maybe tomorrow, in case we get a small gap up, and even if I put the tomorrow CPR, right, see, we get a small gap up and we break this level, the move might be quick, like how the first move came on Thursday. It was pretty quick, right? So in that case, always wait for some kind of a pullback and then see if you can enter. Now let me show you an example on Thursday. What happened on Thursday is, see, I had mentioned that this level, if we get a gap up close to 39,000, this 700 level, this can play as a resistance, but we exactly gapped up above the resistance level, took support. And see, when this type of a move continuously comes, right, if we enter and make money, good. If not, if we need some kind of a pullback to enter, right, within the first 3 minutes, you can't like enter and very easily decide on taking a trade. So this move, if anybody captured, well and good, but if it was not very easy to enter this as well, though we gapped up above the resistance, we were going high, but we always look for some kind of a retest and a breakout, right? But this second up move was easily capturable. Why? See, we were continuously taking support over here. This is a 3-minute chart. Even if I go to a 5-minute chart, it is pretty clear. See, if we had waited, even on 5-minute, we got a retest to the 20 MA, and this is what I was expecting even in this up move, right? Maybe one candle will come to retest this 20 MA, but it came later on. But this was a beautiful entry. See, we were taking support along this level, that is 39,800, and once this broke out, right, when this started breaking out, this up move was easily capturable. No doubt it was a bullish day as we expected on Thursday. This up move was easily capturable. Now, even if I just go to a 1-minute chart, since I made a video on this 1-minute scalping, we could have got a much better entry. See, this itself showed that we are taking support over here, and when kind of this trend broke and this panel channel started, right, this was a beautiful entry, and if we had seen this target of 0.68 would have hit, or any candle that would have come below the 20 MA also we could have taken as trailing stop loss. And obviously the second entry, see, this was a little confusing candle because we did get a nice dip of how many points? These two candles, we did get a nice dip of almost 100 points, but again when kind of this broke out, right, this was again a good trade on the upside. But this one trade was easily capturable because it was kind of a, we got an up move, kind of a correction like a flag and pole pattern, and again a breakout on the upside. So that way, even for tomorrow, in case we get a gap down and because of the US markets we continue to go higher, right, if the US futures is in green, we might go higher. So wait for some kind of a pullback and probably 40,900, and we can also make use of the CPR levels. And if this level breaks, that is 40,200 on the downside, we might retest this level of 40,000 or 39,980. This green zone that I marked, this can be a good support. If you look at the Nifty on the daily chart, right, Nifty on the daily chart has made a nice red candle compared to Banknifty. But even in Nifty, we have kind of broken out of this consolidation, right? We were in this range, we kind of broke out of it on Thursday, but on Friday we have got a red candle, but still the view is bullish for sure. The immediate targets on the upside are this 17,980 and then 18,100. If you just see few intraday levels in the 15-minute chart, see, obviously we would have had this trend line marked. I could not make a video, but since on Thursday we kind of took resistance at this level, right? If we had this trend line marked, we kind of came beautifully, filled the gap, again tested this trend line and had a bounce on Friday. So for tomorrow, in case we get a gap up and break this level, there is a chance we might see 17,987. There's a very good possibility we can make this pattern and get a dip. We can come here, take some kind of resistance here and form this type of, what do you call this, a double top in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. These chances are there, so we'll have to watch out for that. Like this, kind of this double top M form and get a dip and then again get some pull on the upside. Even this is possible for tomorrow, so we'll have to even monitor the US futures, how they open and how they're trading in the morning. See, even in Bank Nifty, this kind of this even in Banknifty, kind of this double top formation is possible. See, my view is, my personal view, obviously it can go completely wrong, but my view is we might take resistance here, come probably again retest this level of 39,800 or so, and then continue going higher. That's my view. But in case in the morning itself we break out of this 40,600 going and continue going higher, yeah, obviously the next target is 40,900. Now on this chart, I'm just going to a 4 hours. See, the monthly CPR is always best seen on a daily time frame, right? Because it's a monthly CPR. But when we put on, I've just enabled the monthly CPR now, just to get a little bit of the view. And if I go to daily, it'll look a little messy, right? Everything is kind of crumpled. So I'm just, for better view, I'm just coming to the 4 hours time frame. See, in all my videos, even in my previous videos, I kind of like keep reiterating on this monthly CPR. Whenever the market turns, right, it kind of takes some, even if it is a small dip, it comes from a monthly CPR level most of the times, right? So exactly we have come, see, this is the monthly CPR, purple, orange, purple, previous month high, monthly R1, monthly R2, the cross lines are monthly CPR. We have on the 4 hour time frame or the daily time frame, you see, even if you check the daily time frame, we have kind of come and halted at the monthly R1, right? So because of this, see, because of this, we could get a dip from here. That is one possibility. From this monthly R1, we have come, tested this, we could get a dip from here and then break out, or like how we get a breakout of the monthly CPR, then probably again will come to retest this level, and then on the higher side, the monthly R2 is 41,300. So this again, this monthly CPR levels is something that we can watch out for. See, beautifully we went almost close to the previous month high, came almost retested the CPR and went higher. See, even on, sometimes even in the daily time frame, we have this, the price action will come to retest the CPR levels. See, on Thursday, even R1, when we broke out of this R1, kind of came, retested this R3 of CPR and then moved higher, right? So always there will be a retest, and then if you can take an entry, that will be the best trade. Now replicating the same in this. So even if we break out of this R1 tomorrow, right, possibly we might come to retest, not tomorrow itself, like in the week or so, and then probably hit the target of 31,300. So these levels are also pretty important. That is the monthly CPR levels. So that's it for tomorrow. Our view is bullish, but our overall view for the market is definitely bullish, but we might see a small dip and then the buying might continue. So let's see what happens on Monday and hope we can make some money. Thank you.